Good morning, students. So today in this video we will study about how to identify infinitive and what is infinitive. So सबसे पहले अभी हम देखेंगे definition of infinitive. Here is the definition. It is the form of verb which mentions in the abstract the action expressed by the verb. So ये verb का ही एक form है जिसमें verb को action words हैं ये and ये express होता है 2 plus v1 के form में. Okay, so it's nothing but a type of verb but expressed in a form of 2 plus v1. So we'll see examples now. So in your English paper, the question would be asked in a form how pick out the infinitives in the given sentence, underline the infinitives in the given sentence. So sentence would be given to you. You have to identify the infinitive or you have to underline the infinitive. Okay. So we'll start with first example. I asked her to come. I asked her to come. So here in this line, to come is the infinitive. Okay. To plus v1. Come. Come is the verb expressed in the form of first form. v1 के form में यहाँ पे expressed है. So to come is our infinitive in this sentence. We had sentence I asked her to come. So to के बाद में to is followed with a verb in its first form. That is nothing but v1. To is followed with the फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब दैट इज v1. सो 2 प्लस v1 हो जाएगा हमारा इन्फिनेटिव. ओके, आई आस्क्ड हर टू कम. सो टू कम ये हो गया हमारा इन्फिनेटिव इन दिस सेंटेंस. विल मूव टू अनदर एग्जाम्पल. इट वॉज टाइम टू गो होम. इट वॉज टाइम टू गो होम. सो टू गो 2 प्लस v1 ये हो गया हमारा इन्फिनेटिव. टू गो इज अवर इन्फिनेटिव. ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. To err is human, to forgive divine. To err is human, to forgive divine. So 2 plus err v1. Okay, error. Error के लिए ये err उसका verb form है. So 2 plus v1. To err, that is infinitive. Similarly, we have two infinitives in this sentence. To forgive. To forgive. Forgive is also in its v1 form. So 2 plus v1. To forgive ये भी है हमारा infinitive. So in third sentence we have two infinitives. To err is human, to forgive divine. So to err and to forgive. This both are the infinitives. Moving to the next example. We eat to get energy. We eat to get energy. So here to get 2 plus v1. Okay, to get is our infinitive. He was about to jump into the well. So to jump 2 plus v1. To jump. So ये हो जाएगा हमारा infinitive. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल अभी हम देखेंगे. आई एम प्लीज्ड टू सी यू. नाउ यू ओनली थिंक क्या होगा इन्फिनेटिव यहाँ पे. प्लीज आइडेंटिफाई द इन्फिनेटिव हियर. आई एम प्लीज्ड टू सी यू. टू सी 2 प्लस v1. सी इन इट्स v1 फॉर्म. टू सी दैट इज अवर इन्फिनेटिव. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. ही सेट लेट एट नाइट टू फिनिश हिज वर्क. ही सेट लेट एट नाइट टू फिनिश हिज वर्क. टू फिनिश 2 प्लस v1. टू फिनिश दैट इज द infinitive. You need not worry. You need not worry. अब यहाँ पे तो टू आया ही नहीं है. Right? In this sentence we don't have any two. So 2 plus v1 चाहिए हमें. infinitive होने के लिए क्या चाहिए. 2 plus v1. But we don't have any two over here. So infinitive क्या होगा हमारा. Here such type of sentences. Here 2 is omitted. Here is omission of 2. 2 is omitted from this sentence. Okay, the sentence in its clear sense would be you need not to worry. In commonly what we call you need not to worry, right? So 2 is omitted here, but that is understood part also. So यहाँ पे हमारा infinitive हो जाएगा to worry. Okay, 2 is the omitted part, so worry is would be our infinitive. You need not worry. That means you need not to worry. So 2 word यहाँ पे omitted है and that's why our infinitive would be worry. ओके, सो ऐसे भी कुछ सेंटेंसेस आएंगे जहाँ पे टू हमें गिवन नहीं है बट अंडरस्टूड है. ओके, फ्यू वर्ड्स आर देयर इन अवर इंग्लिश दैट आर ओमिटेड बट दैट आर कंसिडर्ड अंडरस्टूड. ओके, सो यहाँ पे टू जो लेटर है टू दिस वर्ड इज ओमिटेड बट दैट इज अगेन अंडरस्टूड हियर. सो हमारा वरी जो है दैट इज अवर इन्फिनिटिव. सिमिलरली इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. हाउ डेयर यू कम लेट. हाउ डेयर यू कम लेट. What we call in like again here 2 is understood and omitted. How dare you to come late. सेंटेंस क्या होना चाहिए था हमारा इन ट्रू सेंस, हाउ डे यू टू कम लेट. सो टू इज अंडरस्टूड पोर्शन हियर and that is omitted from the sentence. So our infinitive would be come. Okay, so you can get any examples जहाँ पे to given है तो वो काफ़ी easy है आपके लिए, like to finish. तो आपको to देखोगे आप and then if it is followed with V1 then it is infinitive. It is simple to understand, right? But here there are few cases जहाँ पे to word omitted रहेगा, but you need to understand the meaning of it. Okay, but यहाँ पे omitted है and that's why our answer would be come. How dare you come late? But in true sense the sentence क्या है हमारा, how dare you to come late? You need not to worry. In common language we call this, right? Okay, you need not to worry. So to worry होना चाहिए था, but यहाँ पे to word omit किया है and directly written worry. So worry is our infinitive. Here come is our infinitive. Moving to the last example. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to swim. So to swim. 2 plus V1. To swim is our infinitive. So that was all about today's infinitive. Very easy to understand. 2 plus V1. Okay, बहुत easy है. अब हम यहाँ पे here I'm ending the session and I'm sending you examples for it to solve it. So write in your grammar register. Write this definition. Write this all examples in your grammar register. Okay, I will send this pic in your 9th A group. So complete it from there, and if you have any doubt, any query, so please ask me through WhatsApp.